Oh dude, petrol is 106 rupees. So let's get laid. We need to open this fuel can and let some air out. Hello people, good morning, welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in. So you see the bike is all set and we're ready to leave. The time is 5:57, 3 minutes to 6. So let's get going. Okay, bye. The most expensive ride until now. The fuel costed me about 104.01. This feeling never dies, I guess. The feeling of forgetting something every time you start off for a ride. I need to remember that I have saddlebags and I can't filter out through traffic that easily, so it's been a while now. It's been 8. I was back here in Jan 2021, so it's been 7 months. I think it's 5th or 6th of Jan. It's again, today is the 10th of July. We're starting off on our dream ride. Dream ride for every biker. Onset of monsoon, grey clouds, some showers of rain are expected. That won't stop us. We'll make sure to reach our destination no matter what. So I'll get back to you guys once I meet up with Yatish. Four Seasons Hotel. This is where we plan to meet. So yeah, bike was really smooth. I could feel that there was some amount of weight in the rear. I got the tank slightly polished, so the magnet is just moving a little. Tank back just keeps moving here and there. Hey man, what a timing! I just reached, mom. I was just about to say, where is late Latif? So let's get laid.
Yep. All ready?
We ready to get laid? Connected? Perfect. One click connect. Can't lose more. Call tight. Mom, lockdown, you've been having good food, enjoying life. Come, in vibrations we lose weight. Royal Enfield helps us in that way. Ella correct agibidutte. For it's 31,994. So I can remember we're starting at 22,000. Let's see when we reach back what does this reading show. How many kilometers we would have done. Okay, move. Let's go. This is the second time I'll be doing this route. Yeah. Major experience I have seen. Just the second time. Experience should count, say 20 times. Just imagine doing 20 times. Everybody knows that dream destination for any biker is Ladakh. Everybody whom I meet, the first thing they ask is, have you been to Leh? From Bangalore to Leh is not something everybody would do. Most of them, even Yatish wanted to ship his bike. I somehow convinced him to ride along with me now. I'm not sure how much of his audio is picking up in this mic. I'll try to adjust that setting if required later. I've locked it on 90 just because of you. And his speedometer is showing 100 and he's still behind me. Something wrong with your bike, dude. I hope you did some Desi Puja before you started. Great. I need to cover the camera now. I need to remove the camera off. My camera is not waterproof. I think Senna we can manage. Munde Nilsana. We have some harsh drizzle. New camera, boys, so I'm not taking any chances. See, these are the stops we need to avoid, but it's unavoidable. Okay, first time I'm removing the Senna. I'm removing the GoPro. See, I'm still used to Senna so much that GoPro doesn't come. Okay, I need to remove the helmet also. Arre Baba, this is a lot of work now. We just came about 994 ala. We rode 7 kilometers and we already stopped. Getting into a rain gear. Hitesh is already done. I'm not sure should I remove the camera or no. I'm a little worried about this because this is the only device I have to record and I don't want to take any chances. It's new, man, it's new. 50,000 रुपए खर्च किया उस पे. So that's done. I'm going to turn the camera off now and I think I'll see you guys at breakfast. Yeah. Okay, we stopped here for breakfast. I hope the audio is fine, it's not noisy. Everything is on trial basis. Let's see how it goes. I asked for idli. And on day one of our ride, this is how our bike looks. It's a mess already. Nothing left. All slush everywhere. And yes, here is our sticker. We had some breakfast. I had idli and some lemon rice. Hitesh had his idli. Connected? Okay. ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. We have it for ನನ್ನ wallet is in my pocket. It didn't rain much, but yeah, there was a slight drizzle which would obviously get us completely soaked, so we got into our rain gear just in case. I packed the camera inside and we were riding, and as we crossed into Andhra Pradesh, there's no signs of rain, but yeah, we have grey clouds, patches of grey clouds here and there seen all around us. If the weather is like this until Hyderabad, then it's a blessing. The tank back dust cover isn't staying on. It's quite windy today. We need to keep the current fuel price in mind and ride accordingly. We need to stay in our sweet spot of 90 kilometers per hour where we get the best mileage. Yatish is full fluorescent orange. Helmet is fluorescent orange. His rain cover is fluorescent orange. Full matching. He's going to buy his orange Monster. There's a signs. And that's Kia Motors. Welcome to the world of Kia. Mom, you want to click a photo with Kia board? No, previously the board was in red. Now they have changed it to that grey ash color. Yeah, they changed the logo, so the boards have changed. So I think we'll take a picture. We'll just get a quick picture of the factory. It's okay, I can get Kia in between both the bikes. Make memories as you count miles. I got one 20 rupees note. Whom do I give this to? We'll give it to someone on the way. I was riding and I saw this flying past by in the highway. I don't know to whom it belongs, but someone lucky can get this from me. Let's go. Yatish has gone ahead. I wasn't recording, but me and Yatish are just talking about something, about where we'll stay and what we'll be doing. We're just planning ahead of the ride, and I just saw this. It felt like a currency flying the road. So I stopped immediately to check what it was, and yes, I was right. Fuel break. And there is some fight happening here at the petrol pump. I think he's going to use the washroom here. Just at the outskirts of Anandpur. Anandpur is about 10 kilometers. Stop for fuel. Yatish's bike came to reserve early. I am not sure why. He had this issue earlier when we went to Maharashtra. That's the updates for now. I'm just relaxing, stretching my arms and legs. Nice, breezy, cold day. It's not too hot. Yatish's bike has come to reserve at 200, not on 200 kilometers into the ride, and he had 10 liters in his tank. Yatish is going to have a costly ride if this is the case. Having doubts about his fuel, we filled in 4 liters into this long haul can here. Initially we had no plans of carrying any extra fuel, but due to the current situation we have to. And it's better to be safe than sorry. We guys are very old school, you know. We don't have a fuel range indicator, we don't have a clock, we don't have anything digital. We are analog. Srinagar is 2,676 kilometers. When will we reach there? Who knows? But that's on our list. For all the constant updates on my trip, you need to follow me on my Instagram. If you're not following, please do so. The ID is on the screen and the link is in the description below. So my first fuel break for the day. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ತಾನೆ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದ್ದು 50 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಬಿಡು ಓ ಡೂಡ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇಸ್ 106 rupees లాక్ చేసి పెట్టాను చాలు నా తీసేయండి కరెక్ట్గా వచ్చింది బిల్ ఒకటి ఇచ్చేయండి నా ఉంటే 1099.90 That's how much we fuel today. You move, I'll catch up. Illo gloves hakonta ashte. You stop for 5 minutes, you start sweating. You need to keep moving to stay cool in this weather. Yeah, for the first few days it will be like this. It will just be the highway. You'll stop in a few places. If I find something interesting, there's some interesting content, I will share it with you guys. If not, just enjoy this beautiful journey. I know your pain. I know the lack of power in your bike is causing you to talk like this. Yatish hates to ride with me on the highways just because he can't catch up. His bike is a little underpowered compared to mine. I always thought the 350 could do speeds of 100-120. I didn't know the BS4 was so bad. The bike doesn't cross 90-95. 95 is last. It doesn't reach 3-digit speeds. We need to get it tuned. Let's see. Our old friends in Gwalior, last time they rescued me, this time they'll rescue Yatish. My bike is not great at giving mileage and all that stuff. I'm getting somewhere close to 27 and 28. Yeah, comparing it with your bike, I feel it is great. So I feel that is a great mileage for my bike at this age. After the bike is aged so much, I still get pretty good mileage. Weather is perfect, yeah. Weather is perfect for this ride. I prefer riding in the monsoon, in the winters. That's better. Summer it's too exhausting actually to ride. So we reached Kurnool toll gate. We crossed Kurnool city and reached the toll gate here. We stopped by the highway nest to have a cup of tea, hydrate ourselves, drink a lot of water. It's getting a little humid now. The sun is hidden, but humidity is still there. It's not a pleasant ride for the past 1 hour. It's been quite hot. I'm just getting ready to leave. We were just standing inside the stall and having our tea. Just came out, so didn't unmount the camera from the helmet. And I found these people loading the motorcycle. See that? Desi way of loading the motorcycle. They put in 3 motorcycles into that small truck. We have another 220 odd kilometers to Hyderabad.
Easily takes more than 2 hours.
This will take more than 4 hours now. We have to stop for lunch as well. I think we stopped for tea at the wrong time. We didn't know the time actually. We were just riding and decided to take a break. Okay, we're good to go. I've removed the rain cover for the tank bag. It wasn't staying on for, I don't know, for some reason. I think I didn't place it properly. Anyway, it's not raining and I need this opening to charge the GoPro battery, right? So I put it up there. We'll try to cross to the other side of Hyderabad city, that is towards the Nagpur highway, and then find a place, because we'll make use of daylight and ride, cover some distance. So here we are, leaving Andhra Pradesh and entering Telangana. Government of Telangana checkpost, RTO checkpost. It's called RTA border checkpost here. Normally it's RTO. Hi dude, what's up? How are you? Where you headed? Where you headed? Let's go, go, go. We have a long, long, long way to go. All the way to Leh. This is just day 1 of the journey. We have more than 2 weeks of riding to do. We just finished lunch here at Highway 97 Food and Fuel. Where is my phone? My phone is charging. Okay. This boat is a very nice device. It's not sponsored video. I'm just saying it because I'm experiencing that. On bikes like these where you don't have the cigarette lighter to connect a charger or something like that, this is very handy. Okay, what we need to do is we need to open this fuel can and let some air out. Oh yeah. Due to the heat, it starts bulging up inside. Yeah, about 50 kilometers away from Hyderabad city, and it started drizzling again like how it did in the morning. So I'm in no mood to wear the rain gear. Not interested in wearing the rain gear at all for now. We'll just wait it out, and anyway we're just going to check into the room, right? So might as well wait it out. A lot of grey clouds around us completely. So slight drizzle. I think it stopped. We can move. The time is, what is the time? My phone is charging. I think it's about 4:30 or 4:45. We did decent distance in decent time today. It wasn't too harsh. The weather was pleasant. That is a good part. Pack up. We'll rainproof ourselves a little and we'll check into the room and I'll get back to us. Where we reached? We reached Medchal. This is our room. I'll show you the room. You see, we made a mess of it already. We have stuff scattered all around the room. This is the washroom. There's the light. Yes, there it is. It's a pretty big room here in a small town like this, and I'm happy we found it. We paid 1,500 for this room with air conditioning, which was required. We started data transfer. It's all happening here. So let's go ahead and finish off.
So we did about 610 kilometers, I guess, approximately. It was a pretty decent ride. We rode for like 13 hours. Yeah, we did 13 hours of riding today. The insane traffic of Hyderabad city. I don't know why these people don't allow two-wheelers to go on the outer ring road. They don't let us go, so we had to crisscross through city traffic in the evening. Apart from that, everything was cool. So I think we'll wrap up this video. Until the next video then, take care, bye bye, stay safe.